Tight, narrow roads like this can be pretty awkward if you're driving a bigger vehicle like one of my viewers, John, who's driving a van. But it makes it even more difficult when you come across glazing vans. Now, I'm not blaming the glazing van for parking here, it could very well have been the Volvo on the right. But the edges of the glazing van, because of what they carry, the glass, stick out a little bit more. Notice how John is assessing the width of his vehicle. And a nice easy way to tell is to look at the side of your mirrors. The mirrors stick out the most on most vehicles. So if your mirrors can fit through, your vehicle can fit through. But if you're ever parking near a glazing van, probably park a little bit further up the road.